Morning, students. Welcome you back on in civics period. Okay, lesson number 2, diversity in society. Let us see a look on the lesson. Lesson number 2, diversity in society. Let us revise all the question answers. Okay. There are many languages, religions, cultures, customs, and traditions in Indian society. Customs means rituals. Okay. Tradition means convention. And diversity means variety. Okay. There are many languages, bhasha, religions, dharma, culture, sanskriti, customs, and traditions, riti or parampara in Indian society. This diversity is a mark of our rich cultural heritage. We live among people who speak different languages such as Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu, etc. They celebrate their festivals and cultural events in different ways. Their modes of worship are also different. Mode of worship यानी उनका पूजा करने का तरीका भी different है. Our country consists of regions with different historical legacies. Legacy means ऐतिहासिक वारसा. Okay, where this diversity is shared and celebrated. As all these different communities in our country have lived together for many years, a feeling of oneness has developed among them. Means a feeling of unity. Oneness means what? Unity. Develop among them. This feeling of oneness leads to unity in Indian society. Right? Means unity in diversity. Diversity is our rich and social heritage. We have diversity of religions, language, and culture. Different customs are observed and different festivals are celebrated in the different regions. A feeling of unity in diversity has evolved by living together for thousands of years. Now, diversity is our great strength. To live with different groups is to experience coexistence. It increases the level of mutual understanding. Diversity is our great strength as it promotes mutual understanding, acquaints peoples with customs and ways of living, promotes respect for the others, and create unity. We are able to fight social and natural calamity when we stand united. Now, secularism. Secularism means धर्मनिरपेक्षता. Secularism means what? Secularism means धर्मनिरपेक्षता. And give equal importance and equal treatment to every religion. Now, secularism is a core principle of our constitution. Core means important. In order to promote unity in diversity, India has accepted the principle of secularism. विविधता में एकता अगर हमें बरकरार रखनी हो तो हमें सेक्युलरिज्म का प्रिंसिपल अपनाना ही पड़ेगा. यानी हम कोई भी धर्म को ज्यादा ऊंचा स्थान नहीं देंगे और कोई भी धर्म को नीचा स्थान नहीं देंगे. सब जो भी है वो इक्वल है. इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगी, इक्वल राइट्स मिलेंगे, इक्वल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मिलेंगी और इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस भी मिलेगा. ठीक है ना. See here, as such, India is a secular state wherein no religion is recognized as the religion of our country. यानी हमारे देश का कोई भी धर्म नहीं है. Every person has the freedom of worship as per their religion or the religion of their choice. हर एक व्यक्ति उसका जो धर्म है अपने धर्म के अनुसार पालन कर सकता है या फिर अपना धर्म अगर वो बदलना चाहता है तो वो चेंज भी कर सकता है और अकॉर्डिंग टू चॉइस वो उसे अपना सकता है. ठीक है. There can be no discrimination among people on the basis of their religion. धर्म के नाम पर कोई भी भेद नहीं किया जाएगा. The people of all religions are treated equally by the state. Opportunities for education, means of livelihood, and government jobs are made available to all. Government job में भी सभी को equal opportunity मिलेगी. उसके साथ साथ मीन्स ऑफ लाइवलीहुड जो है उसमें भी कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होगा और सबको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी इसकी एजुकेशन इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion. There are special provisions in the Constitution for the protection of religious and linguistic minority. Special provision की जाएगी इसमें Constitution में और the protection of किसके संरक्षण में religious and linguistic minority के जो लोग हैं उनके लिए. ठीक है. Minorities are free to protect and preserve their linguistic and cultural identities. और ये जो लोग माइनॉरिटी में आते हैं उनको पूरा संरक्षण भी दिया जाएगा और उनकी लैंग्वेज प्रिजर्व करने का और उनकी संस्कृति की पहचान भी बनाए रखने का उनको पूरा अधिकार दिया जाएगा. They are also free to bring about the development of their own communities through education. और उनको ये भी हक मिलेगा, वो पूरा उनको स्वतंत्र दिया जाएगा कि वो अपने समाज के लोगों को शिक्षित करके आगे लेके आए. Secularism has helped to maintain religious harmony in Indian society. धार्मिक सुसंवाद इंडियन सोसाइटी में सेक्युलरिज्म की वजह से ही दिखाई देता है. The contribution of society to our development. Cooperation among the individuals is the very basis of the society. Cooperation यानी क्या? एक दूसरे का सहयोग करना. Cooperation is to extend help to each other. एक दूसरे के सामने मदद का हाथ देना. एक दूसरे को family will not survive, day-to-day life will hindered and society will not make progress in the absence of cooperation. अगर cooperation नहीं रहेगा तो सोसाइटी का जो काम स्मूथली रनिंग होता है ना वो नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है. यानी छोटे छोटे कामों में भी फिर ऑब्स्टेकल्स प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे. टॉलरेंस एंड म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग will enable us to resolve differences peacefully. यानी कोई भी अगर झगड़े की जड़ है वजह है तो वो हम उसको शांततापूर्ण मार्ग से सुलझा सकते हैं. Perpetuating differences and indulging in conflicts is not in the interest of anyone. यानी झगड़ा करना और दंगे फसाद करना इस बात में किसी को भी वैसे भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहता है. Therefore, we must adjust and arrive at an amicable compromise. इसलिए हर एक को क्या करना पड़ता है? कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है. This spirit of tolerance, accommodation and mutual understanding will make our social life richer. और इसी की वजह से हमारा जो सोशल लाइफ है ना वो क्या रहता है? अच्छा रहता है, हेल्दी रहता है. It will preserve peace and social harmony. Then opportunity to perform different roles is provided to us. Opportunity to perform different roles is provided to us by the society. We must carry out duties related to each of our roles within and outside family. Okay. Now, regulation of society. It is necessary for its smooth functioning. This task was performed by customs and traditions in earlier times. Modern society is regulated by laws and governmental institutions at the local level. Now, let us see the question of this lesson. To live among a variety of communities is to experience coexistence. Answer is coexistence. India is an important secular nation. कौन सा nation है India? Secular nation in the world. Cooperation makes interdependence in society healthier. What is the answer? Interdependence. Diversity is our rich heritage. And religious harmony has been promoted by secularism. Okay, now guide the pairs. Marathi, Hindi and Gujarati reflect diversity of language. Okay, diversity of religions in India protected by Indian Constitution. Then healthy mutual dependence promoted by cooperation. Next question. Answer the following question in one sentence. What is meant by cooperation? Cooperation means sharing and helping one another in solving problems and removing difficulties. What do you mean by cooperation? Cooperation means what? Cooperation means sharing and helping one another. यानी एक दूसरे की मदद करना, एक दूसरे के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना, है ना? डिफिकल्टीज अगर होगी तो उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करना, उसके लिए अगर मदद चाहिए तो वो फुल कोऑपरेशन देना. Why have we accepted the principle of secularism? We have accepted the principle of secularism to preserve our diversity. हमारे देश की जो विशेषता है यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, अगर वो बरकरार रखनी है तो उसके लिए हमें सेक्युलरिज्म का प्रिंसिपल यानी तत्व अपनाना पड़ेगा. Right, the diversity in the Indian society. There is diversity of language, religion, culture, ways of life, and festival in Indian society. Now, how can we resolve conflicts? We can resolve conflicts by tolerance and understanding. Now, why should conflicts be resolved without delay? The conflict should be resolved without delay because long-term conflicts are not in the interest of anyone. State the need for social regulation. Social regulation is necessary for orderly social life. Now, answer the following questions in brief. Let us see. What is it that shows unity in Indian society? There is coexistence of diverse people for a long period of time. This living together creates feeling of unity among the people. We can see this unity among the people in the times of natural and social calamities. Now, when do conflicts arise in society? The conflicts arise in society when the differences of opinion and viewpoints among the people cannot be resolved peacefully. Misunderstanding and prejudices also lead to the conflicts. Next, what are the advantages of cooperation? The very existence of the society depends on cooperation. Cooperation advantages means what? Advantages means फायदे. Cooperation के कौन से फायदे हैं? तो हमारे सोसाइटी का जो एग्जिस्टेंस है वो एग्जिस्टेंस यानी अस्तित्व किस पे डिपेंड करता है? कोऑपरेशन पे. Cooperation helps in solving problems of individual and society. Lack of cooperation hampers our progress. अगर cooperation में नहीं है तो हमारे progress नहीं होगी. Cooperation makes interdependence in society healthier. It is the process of inclusion. Now, next. Elaborate diversity in Indian society. People around us speak different languages. People belong to different communities and they celebrate their festivals and perform religious rituals in different ways. There are regional differences in culture of people. The historical legacy differs from region to region. Okay. Now, what are the advantages of diversity? फायदे कौन से हैं? Diversity. By living in society with diverse people, we experience the benefits of coexistence. Coexistence of diverse people promotes spirit of tolerance. We learn to respect customs. यानी कौन सी बातें सीखते हैं? तो दूसरों की संस्कृति सभ्यता का आदर करना है ना. We learn to respect customs, traditions and ways of living of the others. दूसरों की जीवन शैली का, परंपराओं का, रीति रिवाजों का आदर करना. It promotes unity among people. We can meet any natural calamity and disaster when there is unity in our society. Now, elaborate the provisions related to secularism in the Indian Constitution. India is a secular state and has no official religion of state. People have been given freedom to adopt and practice religion of their choice. The state does not discriminate among the citizens on the ground of religion. There is equality of treatment and equal opportunity in matters of education and public employment. Okay. Now, state the provisions of regarding minorities. Special provisions have been made in the Indian Constitution to protect religious and linguistic minorities. They have been given the right to preserve their language and उनको अधिकार दिया गया है वो अपनी संस्कृति, अपनी भाषा को बरकरार रखने के लिए जो भी प्रयास कर सकते हैं, करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं. उसके साथ साथ वो एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन भी वो सेटअप कर सकते हैं उनकी डेवलपमेंट के. ठीक है. ओके. Now, your revision of lesson number 2, that is diversity in society, is over, and in the next period we will meet with history lessons. Okay. Up to that, bye bye, and it's your duty, your responsibility to learn hard and prepare for the examination. Okay. Now we have stopped. Bye bye. Take care.